No.
Sign kasi, oh. Sign lang.
Bro, forgot about that. I am the principal of this place. Class is dismissed until the 11th month, and don't run at the halls.
Bye-bye.
Wait, don't run. Wait, don't run. No running in the halls. No running in the halls. You think bro thinks Oh shoot! No! I'm faster.
I can take my Bye-bye.
Oh yeah? I know your address.
Oh, sure.
Bro, are you supposed to be? Oh, someone's here. There's a buff guy.
LOL.
And-
No.
Yo, you left?
No, I didn't.
Where are you? You moved? Anyways, I'm principal of the thing.
Okay. Shut up. I don't care. Bro, I think he's AFK or something.
Who?
Yeah.
Who?
I'm giving him money. Non-stop, bro.
Bro, it's a person. Bro.
Those persons are doomed. What are you doing about? Ah!
Oh no.
What the frick? Is it just something or something?
Yeah, they are. Why is-
Why
Why is this car so slow? My car is so slow. That's why it's illegal. The Oaks. 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 The Oaks.
The girl that I adopt named Lily.
Yeah, because she.
have to adopt her?
Because please adopt me.
I'm just gonna watch. Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna tell something. You're leaving the game? Yo, look at the sign up at house 24. Go to house 24, bro.